Is your phone is really waterproof? Is iPhone are really waterproof mobile phones and they will do not cause any damage due to the water? How this is real and how this is possible is that your iPhone is not waterproof or it is waterproof. How to know it? So firstly, I will show you the statement given by the Apple Mobile Communication Limited that their phone is waterproof or not. So just have a look on this. You can all see these models having a rating of IP68 under IEC standard 60529. This says that maximum depth of 6 meter up to 30 minutes. An iPhone can work like iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus. These are the variants which will work for 30 minutes into the 6 meter depth of the water. But if you're using iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro Max, there is IP68 under standard 60529, which says that the maximum depth of 4 meters up to 30 minutes. So yes, your iPhones are waterproof, but not really, because it cannot resist water for more long time. It can only do for 30 or 40 minutes at the last. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked it. We will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.